Hello and welcome to Lipotrim, a gold standard weight management programme only offered by healthcare professionals. Many of you will be pharmacists and GPs already offering Lipotrim to your patients, and some of you will be patients and other healthcare professionals trying to get a little bit more information on Lipotrim and how it's a safe and effective weight management programme. Irrespective of your background, truly a really warm welcome to every single one of you. So to get things started properly, who am I? Well, my name's Gareth Evans and I'm a community pharmacist, and I've been using Lipotrim in my waste away clinics for over 15 years now. My other role is the Lipotrim trainer, and I'm here to use my expertise today to start showing you this new and exciting way that we're going to help you develop your knowledge on weight management through Lipotrim training webinars. Now, we're really excited by this brand new way for us at Lipotrim to help support you in your efforts tackling the obesity crisis. But how are you going to access these webinars? Well, we're going to post a mixture of live and recorded webinars on our YouTube channel. And we're going to help you know when to find these webinars via our newsletters, and please sign up for our newsletters if you haven't already. We're also going to post on our social media channels, so LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Now please get involved in these webinars because they're designed for you. So what are our aims? Well, we want to offer extra support for you as people offering Lipotrim or participating in Lipotrim. So it's going to add to our educational level and our customer service level to you. We want to support you, each and every one. So the webinars, what we're going to be able to do is deliver regular information on the Lipotrim programme and on weight management issues. It's going to add to your CPD and revalidation as pharmacists and GPs, but very importantly, what it's also going to do is allow you a platform to ask your questions and share best practice. So watching the webinars is going to be quite straightforward, but I'm sure you're wanting to know how you can ask those burning questions. Well, it's going to be quite simple, really. We've got a variety of methods for you to put your input, and we really do want your input. So first off, we've got our phone numbers. These are primarily going to be designed for you to ask your questions that need a timely input. So you've got a free phone number in the UK, you've got a local rate number in Ireland. There are our email addresses, and on this page you can see our direct email addresses, but also you've got the contact page on the websites to use. Now, our preferred method for you to post those burning questions to be used on these webinars is going to be on the content section under each of the webinars on the YouTube channel. Now, obviously, you've got our other social media channels and you're welcome to place your questions there as well. So we've come to the end of our first ever Lipotrim webinar. I hope you can see the potential of what we're trying to achieve through these webinars and the extra layer of support that they bring you. Now, this quote is really apt, not only in me trying to deliver this first ever Lipotrim webinar, but also in these really challenging, quite difficult times for pharmacy and healthcare professionals. So we really do appreciate your support, and we really are looking forward to your participation and input into these webinars by asking all your burning questions and getting your feedback. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.